Hello, so today we are going to do this problem, which is part of Leetcode daily challenge. It's called the hate checker. So basically here we have a school that is trying to basically take an annual photo of all students. And we ask students to stand in increasing order, which is non-decreasing order by hate. And this ordering is represented by the expected ordering. So the sorted order is the expected order, and then the hate is basically the current order. So basically you can imagine that there are some students, they are standing in just random order, but we need them to stand in increasing hates order. Okay, and so that correct standing is basically this expected array, and then the current one is this hates array. We only get the current one, but we can just sort the current one to get the expected one. And the goal is to find the students that are standing out of order. So basically the students where the current order index is different than the expected or the right order we want. Okay. It's a little bit misleading here because they didn't give you the expected array, because you are just, it should be just the hates array sorted. Okay, and so we can just sort and just check how many have these different, right? So pretty straightforward. Let's do that. So the simplest thing to do is to have a sorted, just to have a version that is sorted, call that expected, right? And then go through the, so let's call this the length, which is going to be just the number of students. And then we need to count how many are out of order, right? And so we can just take this here and check. In that case, we increment our count and then return it. So this is sorted. This is the length of the hates. And this gets accepted. Okay, so very straightforward. Now in terms of time complexity, this sorting here is O of n log n. This is O of n. So overall it's O of n log n because this is bigger, right? Now another way you could do this, if you wanted, is you could just group together the two things, right? There is zip, where if you do like 1, 2, 3 on an array A, let's say like this, and then array B, that is ABC, and you zip them together, then you will get pairs of 1A, 2B, and then 3C. Okay, so that's exactly what we can do here. We can just have AB the hates and BB expected, and then zip them and compare. Right, so the way to do that, you could just have, we could leave only the count. We can have hate and expected, and this would be in the zip of hates, and then the sorted hates, right, because that's the expected. And then we could just compare H and E. Okay, and then we can run it like that, except this needs colon. And it gets accepted. Okay, now still same time complexity, but you can also just make this shorter with list comprehension. You can just sum the number of times they are different, right, which will amount to the same thing, except it's written in a list comprehension idiomatic way. So if we can do it like that, they should do the same. Submit. And this gets accepted. Okay, so pretty straightforward problem today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.